So I'm here in Atlanta, Georgia, and I am looking for what? Exactly, some real deal barbecue.
You know what it is, Guy? With this crate 502 in here, we just got to bump the timing up a little bit. That's all it is.
So you call your buddy Rutledge, who knows a lot about cars and a ton about barbecue. This is the real deal?
This is the real deal.
This is Fox Brothers BBQ.
Smoke wings up in the window.
Fox Brothers is probably the best barbecue I've ever had.
All right, plate up.
Just one of those places you gotta come to.
Pork plate up in the window. Run it.
It's legit Texas barbecue, and they nailed it.
They are Jonathan and Justin Fox, just your everyday barbecue-loving Texan twin brothers. How'd you guys get this started?
We pretty much just started cooking in our backyard for our friends.
And in 2007, they moved from backyard parties into a massive business.
We smoke probably 10,000 pounds of pork and brisket a week.
Are there no other restaurants? Are we on an island?
Pretty much.
It's that good.
Hey, you put good food out there, people come.
Which includes a big fan of what these twins are turning out, my buddy, Top Gear host, Rutledge Wood.
It is the best barbecue in Atlanta, hands down.
Fox Brothers Burger up in the window.
The Fox Brothers burger is a mouthful.
It's sort of a misnomer to call it a burger. It's not a burger at all. It's brisket.
You can tell it's just smoked all day on the hickory, and your hair smells like it when you leave, and that's how you know you're at a good barbecue joint.
All right, let's get after it.
This is certified Angus beef. Just trim down this fat just a little bit. Now we're gonna season our brisket with our salt and pepper seasoning.
Brisket with salt and pepper. That is as Texas as it comes. Now we're gonna go to the smoker?
We're gonna go to the smoker.
Great.
We cook it overnight, 10 to 12 hours at 200, 205 degrees.
Basically as low as it'll go.
Yep.
Let's go. So now what are we into?
Our homemade barbecue sauce.
Bring it, doctor.
We got a homemade ketchup. We got some vinegar.
Distilled white?
Yep.
Next up,
Hot sauce.
anybody particular?
Texas Pete, of
There
course.
you go.
Well, Texas
Made in
love.
Carolina.
Texas Pete, made in Carolina, used in Atlanta.
Yeah.
Makes sense. Next up,
Black pepper. Granulated garlic.
blackstrap molasses.
Yep.
Okay?
Brown sugar. Worcestershire sauce. Chili powder.
Was that silent grunting?
Yeah, that's what we do in the South. When you like something, you just go,
Onion powder.
Onion powder.
And last but not least,
Salt. Just let it come up to temp and simmer for about 30, 40 minutes.
beautiful. What are we making now?
We're making pimento cheese.
Let's get into it.
Cheddar cheese. Pepper jack cheese.
You know what? If you're gonna try it, I just feel like I should try it
You better
too.
get right in there.
Mayonnaise. Pimentos. A little pepper. And for some heat, cayenne pepper. Mix it up by hand. Let's make a patty for our Fox Brothers burger.
All right, let's make a burger.
So we're gonna take this brisket.
Oh my gosh, that's good. Get after it, Zorro.
We got some of our house-made jalapeno mayo right here. Pimento cheese patty. And we're gonna take this beautiful thing and throw it under the salamander.
We gotta hurry up and get this burger out before Rutledge eats all of the other brisket. Rutledge!
I'm sorry.
Here we go, hit it.
Take our toasted bun. We got some of our peppered bacon, a couple pickles, tomato, onion.
That's a chopped beef sandwich. Called it a burger.
Call it a burger.
I like it. Oh,
That's a great burger.
you just like cleaning up over there like a lion that just ate a gazelle.
I don't know what happened. I went after mine.
It's super tender brisket. When you chop that brisket up, you get a chance to incorporate that fat.
Yeah.
So it makes it even a little bit more unctuous. And adding the pimento cheese and adding the veggies on top of it brings that burger element to it.
That's Fox Brothers right there. Damn, man. Come on.
All right, that's full speed, man. That's all throttle, no bottle, man. That is just getting it done. So I'm here in Utah. I love coming to this state. I mean, we're talking about great people. We're talking about lots to do. We're talking about tons of community. And what does that give you? It gives you a place that people, they love to go out and eat. So I'm here in Logan, Utah, about an hour and a half from Salt Lake City, to check out a restaurant. Oh, this is awesome. The chef is from Mexico. He went to California. He cooked for President Reagan. He came out here to Logan. What's he serving up? Big flavors. This is Sabores International Cuisine.
About that 1 minute.
It was an instant hit with me.
All sorts of people can come here and they can all find something they like.
Torta de pierna. The best comfort foods from all around the world on one great menu.
Those are flavors Eliseo Garcia became passionate about after working in kitchens all over the West with chefs from all over the world.
Sabores, flavor.
So lots of flavor.
Cuban, Puerto Rico, Argentina.
Okay.
Peanut butter burger up.
The peanut butter burger is one of my favorites here.
You wouldn't think the peanut butter and the burger would go great together, but man, what a combination it is.
The last time I had a peanut butter burger, I wanted my mommy. It was in West Lafayette, Indiana, at the Triple X Family Restaurant.
I absolutely don't enjoy that at all.
I didn't know how to handle that. That was the craziest thing ever. But I got faith in my chef here.
Let's make some chipotle aioli. Chipotle peppers, lemon juice, garlic, salt, pepper, chipotle powder.
You're gonna fold that into the mayonnaise? That would make anything taste great.
Let's make some house chips. Let's start with purple yam.
You're gonna go to all this effort to make the chips?
Yep. Regular yam, potatoes, Japanese yam,
You're yamming.
taro root, lotus root.
Lotus root.
We're gonna fry it for 3 minutes.
While those are frying, what do we do?
We're gonna make our house seasoning: garlic powder, cumin, achote, paprika, onion powder, salt, pepper, white pepper. Season our chips.
They sure make eclectic chips.
Let's build our peanut butter burger. Put the cheese and the bacon,
Don't overdo it on the peanut butter.
chipotle aioli, sriracha sauce, lettuce, tomatoes, and onions. Hamburger, and there you go, sir.
I want my mommy to come to Logan, Utah and try that burger. That's good. That chipotle aioli and a little bit of the sriracha take the burger from being sweet and really heavy peanut butter to being a little spicy peanut butter, like a Thai peanut dipping sauce. Delicious chips. I see what everybody liked about the peanut butter burger. Maybe it just took me some time. Hey, Triple X team, I'll come back. I'll try the burger again, all right? Peanut butter in 2 minutes.
It's interesting how the hamburger works with the peanut butter.
I love the sweet and the savory. The chips are good. I like how crispy they are.
Torta de pierna.
You want something hearty and comforting, and this is the place to go.
Everybody that comes here digs it.
It's the jewel of our valley.
Jewel of our valley?
Yeah.
I don't even know how to take that.
It's a unique restaurant for Logan.
When you're doing an international flair restaurant with all different kind of flavors from around the world, you better make it unique. And that is delicious. So when I hear there's a chef that's all about farm to table, and he's got a restaurant where the name kind of plays a little homage to one of my favorites, Motley Crue, you know I gotta check it out. This is Dr. Feelgood's Kitchen.
Got New Mexican pulled pork outside. Come get it.
It's good comfort food, and sometimes you just need that.
The Brussels are down.
Everything is made from scratch, locally sourced.
I dig it. All put together by Josh Gerwin. Fresh bake your bread?
Yes, sir. Butchering whole animals. I have a full-blown butcher shop about 5 doors down.
Really?
Yeah. We bring whole hogs in. We got the belly. It's gonna make our bacon.
Which goes into a classic sandwich with a not-so-classic style.
Josh's twist on the BLT.
It's a whole burger of bacon, which certainly I've never heard of anywhere except for here. The mayo and the freshly baked bread, it's just delicious.
What are we gonna make?
Bacon.
All right, man, let's get into it.
Brown sugar.
Fresh ground black pepper.
Pink salt. Kosher salt.
How many bellies you guys doing in a week?
8 to 12.
So no 9, 10, or 11.
Well, because 2 come per pig.
I'll be over here.
Cure our pork belly now, 7 to 10 days.
What are you smoking it with?
Applewood, 4 to 6 hours at 160 until it gets a nice mahogany. I grind it and make a 9-ounce patty.
You give them 9 ounces of bacon on this thing?
Well, and the lean meat that binds it together.
This I gotta say. Beautiful bacon, dude.
Put that on the grill, right?
Yeah, no kidding. Can I just have this on a stick? All that effort to make this great bacon, and now we're gonna grind it up.
Yeah,
And then make the patty and we're done?
pretty much. And I season it with some kosher salt and white pepper. Cook it in the wood-fired oven.
You make the bread also?
Yeah, potato bread. It's like half potatoes and half flour. Boiled russets.
This is more potato than bread. I've never seen potato bread at this level.
We go in with our water,
Fresh yeast, super critical. Some olive oil.
AP flour, bread flour, salt. Mix it for about 12 minutes, let it proof for about an hour till it doubles in size.
Portion it out.
Roll them out into the Kaiser shape, let them proof, and approximately double in size.
What temperature are you gonna make it at?
350, about 20 minutes.
Okay.
Toasted Kaiser,
Okay.
get a little bit of mayonnaise on it. Nice heirloom tomatoes,
Gorgeous.
some organic greens. Tiny bacon patty over here.
I've never seen that much bacon on a BLT.
Top it with our Kaiser for you. House-made onion rings.
You ready? That's a monster. Well, this is what everybody wants a BLT to be like. You're getting the volume of a burger, the flavor of the bacon, the whole top of that patty is just all that crispy, crunchy, unctuous flavor. Then on the inside, it's super tender. It's just done perfectly. I mean, it's BLT of another level. You are a dangerous man.
Thank you very much. BLT ready?
It's big mouthfuls of juicy bacon every time you bite into it.
That freshly made bread is what takes it over the top.
Firehouse burger, it will set your mouth on fire.
Because it's loaded with a 3-pepper hot sauce.
Looks like mustard, but it's not.
I'm actually nervous at this point.
Okay, we're gonna make some Firehouse sauce for you. Vinegar, add serrano, jalapenos, habaneros.
Okay. Did I see habanero plants in the
You
back?
saw habaneros in the back. We grow our own because we want to make sure they're good and hot.
Go back there and pick out the prime
Pick
ones.
out the ones we want and throw it in that little old pot. They just cook till they're soft. These are done.
No gloves or anything with that, Edie.
Absolutely not. We're just kind of blending these things up.
There is no way that that is not going to be 1,000,000 degrees.
Along with that goes garlic, onions, radishes. You're just going to love it.
That is going to kill my mouth.
There we go. Then we're going to pour this in here, add some mustard.
Whose recipe is this?
We really don't know where this
Someone
came
said,
from.
I want something spicy.
I want
Edie came
something-
back here and went,
And that
part of me right now is dying to just take a taste of it, and the other part of me is just praying that the bun and the burger and all the apparatus will cool it down enough.
cool it down.
So now we're gonna put this on the burger.
Yes, we are. We're cooking the burger for the Firehouse.
So this burger's gonna go salt and pepper. What else goes on this burger?
We have our cayenne butter. We're gonna melt a little butter, cayenne pepper, and let's see. Okey-doke.
Quit looking at me and add more.
Ooh, I just want to see if you're gonna be able to handle this.
Okay.
That butter's gonna go right on top of this patty. Ooh, maybe a little bit more.
Some American cheese.
Wonderful mustard sauce. A little bit more, a little bit more. Jalapenos, lettuce.
See how quick she covered it up with the lettuce?
I did. I don't want you to see it. Onions, tomatoes, pickles. And there it is.
This is kind of like licking the volcano in Flavortown. Oh, that is hot. That is really good. Oh, gosh. Nice hot, and you still get flavor. My mouth is like literally on fire at this point. If I just keep eating it, it'll cool it for like 20 seconds. Oh, my tongue's completely numb now. I almost bit it off. I bet you that's flammable. You could take that sauce and put that on raw chicken. It would cook it. You know what? I dig that.
Spices that they use, amazing. I'm starting to tear up. They're burger tears. Happy tears.
They're definitely not your cookie cutter burger.
A really off-the-hook spin on bacon cheeseburgers. This is Dad's Kitchen.
Dad's burger. Enjoy.
You have to get the Dad's burger.
Unlike any other burger I've ever had.
The best part about it is the bacon and the blue cheese literally seared right into the burger.
3 Dad's burger medium rare.
An amazing combination.
That's made it the top seller.
You always want to come back and have it again.
So when Julio Pates and Christine Collins bought the joint nearly 2 years ago,
All right, I got 2 Dad's burgers.
they made sure to keep it on the menu. So kitchen manager Luis Becerra could keep on cranking out more than 7,000 a year.
So juicy. Best burger in town.
Let's do the Dad's burger.
Okay,
Chop the bacon, small squares.
the bacon is going on top.
Yes.
Okay.
Gonna crust it on the burger.
Gonna crust it.
Yep. Make a little bit of the bacon. It's going with blue cheese.
Interesting.
People love bacon and blue cheese. 8 ounces.
So you're hoping that that all sticks together.
Yes.
You think you got it?
Yeah. Don't say anything.
What, is it quiet time right now? We don't want to scare it?
Concentration. There we go. That's the burger right there.
Who made this up?
I did.
This is your idea?
Yes.
That's awesome. Now what?
The Aleppo spread.
The
Aleppo chili spread. Yeah. Aleppo is the chili from Syria.
It tastes like hot paprika.
Yeah. We have roasted garlic. We need to brine it up.
And what are you gonna do with the oil?
We gotta use it for the spread, actually.
Oh, it smells awesome.
A couple eggs,
Gonna work as some binder.
a little bit of salt, pepper, blend it up.
We're now putting in the garlic oil.
Aleppo pepper and lemon juice.
Good to crush you.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Squeeze it, and that's it. Aleppo spread right there.
Get me all that to go.
Take it.
Let's make the burger.
All right.
Oil it down. Bacon goes down first.
Yep. Salt and pepper. We need to use this press.
We gotta make sure the bacon cooks all the way through.
Yeah.
Because if it doesn't cook all the way through,
And when you
then you're
flip it, all the flavor come out.
go.
Flip the burger. There it is.
Holy crustification. And it's just sitting there cooking in that bacon fat galore.
Burger bun.
He's so killer.
Here we go.
The bacon smashed on it. And you guys make your own fries too?
Yes. Every morning. Let's put some spread.
Good fry, man.
Thank you.
Stand back, this will get messy. Drum roll, please. Look at the juice. Dude, it's probably the juiciest burger you're gonna try. Ladies and gentlemen, this is the bounds, and this is out of bounds. This thing is righteous.
Yeah, think it.
Do. Take a look here at how the bacon and the cheese have just melded. Killer burger. This is a cross between Hodad's and Squeeze In. I mean, this is up there at that level of burger greatness. Something so simple, done so right. Grand slam. Awesome.
That's burger.
It's just delicious. Every time I come here, I will have it.